Lendava Spa is located nearby the Hungarian-Croatian border, where in 1965, in the village of Petišovci, while searching for oil, thermo-mineral paraffin water was found, in which the beneficial therapeutic effects were quickly discovered. That was the beginning of Lendava Spa. More than 45 years of tradition of thermal baths and hotel management allow Lendava Spa the offer of comfortable accommodation for their guests at Hotel Lipa, the apartment complex Lipov Gaj, and the auto camp Lipa. Hotel rooms are furnished in a modern way and offer the guests all the comfort needed for an enjoyable stay. The 3 Stars Hotel Lipa is also a proud title holder of Bikers and Walkers Friendly Hotel. The swimming pool complex includes 8 pools that cover almost 2,000 square meters of water surface. Lendava Spa is well known for the magical powers of its water, which has a high paraffin content that is also responsible for its dark green color. This water is particularly appreciated by the guests and one of the main reasons why many of them often and fondly return. The Therapeutic Center of Lendava Spa offers a variety of thermo-mineral water-based therapies. The water has a beneficial effect on the skin and is very well suited for relief and treatment of all types of rheumatic diseases, injuries and operations of the locomotor system, as well as for the peripheral nerve conditions and burns. It also works soothingly on psoriasis and chronic inflammation of genitals. Wellness offer consists of programs for relaxation, including the Venus program, aromatherapies and various massage programs with stones, the regeneration chamber and others. It is important to notice that the spa guests may also ask for individual wellness programs. The cuisine at the Lendava Spa is an important part of the touristic offer, since our chefs prepare excellent meals consisting of classic cuisine, as well as specialities typical for the Pomoria region, both served in modern restaurants. For recreation and sport, Lendava Spa is an excellent starting point, since the natural assets for trips around Pomoria and the nearby areas are simply ideal. The guests can visit Lendava Hills, sprinkled with cottages and tourist farms, where, in between the vineyards, they can taste exquisite wines and cycle to the nearby or slightly more distant places. Lendava Spa is therefore perfect to relax and regenerate the body and mind, and a place where you will always feel you are among friends.